हो गया?
नहीं जी, नहीं हुआ.
I want a picture for a thumbnail, not a whole video.
Well, I didn't know that.
Good morning, good afternoon, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an experimental video and kind of productive video. We will try to make $100 while driving for Uber Eats. And we'll try to figure out that how fast and how easy can we make $100 a day while driving for this Uber Eats, and see if it is worth it or not worth it. I've heard from a lot of people who drive for Uber and Uber Eats that this is easy money and very comfortable money. And just because it is an easy money and comfortable money, people get used to it. And those people who start driving for Uber and Uber Eats, they never let go of this thing. They will just do it for the rest of their life. So let's see, and let's try to figure out how easy it is and how comfortable it is, and is it actually worth your time while driving, or is it just all myth? Personally, if you ask me, no job is an odd job and no job is small enough. As long as your time is being productive and you are making money, enough money to put food on the table, enough money to pay your bills, and then enough money to support some of your dreams. Before we get started, let's go get some gas so we can keep track of our expenses and we can see how much gas we actually use and how much money do we make, so that we can add and subtract and see what's the actual amount a driver can make in a day. Just got the gas in, so now let's start the Uber application. I already have made an account with Uber. All you need, it was very simple. You just need to put your basic information, your car information, which was your registration and your insurance, and third document was your driving license. The only catch was that driving license need to be a year old. So already have made my account. So now let's go on and start the application and start making some money. Apparently it requires me to wear a mask before starting an application because it wants to take my picture. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, that's done. App is on. It's 3:35. 3:35. So now let's see, when will we get our first delivery? So finally we got our first delivery. It's around for $7 and I think 13 minutes. Let's take it. So let's go grab our first meal and start making our time productive. The restaurant did not had any drive-through, so I had to go in, but that was very simple and easy. They had a separate table where I just went and there were some deliveries already sitting over there. I just checked my code and grabbed the food. Anyways, now let's go and deliver it to the right person. So I am unable to get in touch with the customer and I don't know where to leave because this is a hospital. Over here on the application it says leave at door, but what door? It's like the main door, it's the main entrance. I don't know where to leave. I tried calling her, she did not give any response. I left her a text. So now just waiting for her response. Uber says wait for 8 minutes. If the customer do not show up in 8 minutes, I think I'll get the food. I think rather than wasting my time over here, I should just leave the food outside the door. So I just delivered the food on the front desk. I don't know if she'll get it or not, but I hope she get it. And this is how we complete our first delivery.
Mission complete.
That was fun and easy. Let me just do complete over here. Yeah, there we go. And now we'll wait for the second one. This thing was fairly easy. When I went to the restaurant, the food was ready. Over here, I just left it on the front desk. And that's it. $7. It was just a short trip. I think that was less than like 5 minutes of a ride. I think it's worth it. The beginning is worth it. Let's see overall how much we make today. Going to pick delivery number 2 now. This was worth $8. Better than the first one. I'll need my mask. I'll be back. Okay, so where do we have to take this one? This one goes outside a house. It says leave on the chair. So let's go and drop this food. A little update on Uber Eats. So far I did just 3 deliveries. It was a little bit slow after the first 2 deliveries, so I took a break for almost like 35 to 40 minutes in which I was super hungry, so had to eat something. And then after that, as soon as I turned back again, I think it's dinner time now, so it picked up. And as soon as I turned on, I got the delivery. It was a big one. So that delivery was worth $30. $30 will be paid to me on the application, and then that person to whom I delivered that food gave me a $10 cash tip. So total I made $40 on this one delivery. Not bad, huh? I can tell you, I'm enjoying. I have my entertainment with me, my iPad on which I'm watching some Netflix, talking to my friends on the phone, looking at some stocks, looking at the market. So far, I'm just enjoying and doing whatever I want to. Meanwhile, just grabbing the food and giving it to the people. It's easy. So I finally received a delivery from McDonald's, and McDonald's have a drive-through. I'll try to go through drive-through and see if they will give me the delivery. It's a huge line over here. But let's get in the line and get going.
How can I get for you?
Uber Eats for Brian.
Second window.
Thank you. That was it. She just said that, pulled up to the second window and grabbed the food. That's easy. Uber Eats for Brian.
What's your code?
51F. Thank you. Whew. That was so far the easiest one. I like it. I mean, all of them were easy, but this was the best. I did not have to walk out of my car. Just went through the drive-through. Anyways, now let's go and drop this food. We are very close to our goal that we set up early in the morning. I'm excited about that part. So we received another delivery, and this delivery will be hopefully our last delivery, because after that we'll be reaching our target, and then I'll be telling you guys how much I made in how much time and how was the experience. Just picked up my last delivery and now on my way to deliver it. 424 is here. Now let's go deliver the food. The final delivery has been delivered, and finally we are closing the day. I have turned off my application. So now the question is how much I made in how much time. As you guys know that I started around 3:35, and then also took a break for, I would say, 35-40 minutes to have some food. But right now it's 7:59, and I made almost 93 bucks that is showing over here on the application. Obviously, the tip for $10 from 2 orders is not included yet. Once that will be included, it will put me around $103, $104 over here. And then remember, we got $10 in cash tip. So that will come up to be how much? I'll be making $112 today. It was a fun and easy experience. In pandemic, a lot of people have lost their jobs, and a lot of people are not doing jobs because they're collecting unemployment. But if someone wants to work on Uber Eats, it's all up to you. It's an easy gig. I like it, and I think I might keep doing it here and there if I'm bored in the house doing nothing. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.